Hello, English learner. Welcome to our video lesson. In this lesson, we'll learn the difference between how much and how many, and how to use these phrases correctly in English. Stay tuned for a quiz at the end to see how much you've learned. Let's get started. We upload 3 times a week, packed with useful content just for you. Thanks for joining us on this journey. When we want to know the quantity or amount of something, we ask questions starting with how much or how many. When do we use how much? We use how much when we want to know the amount of something that can't be counted one by one, like water, time, money, or love. How much is used with uncountable nouns? Here are some examples. How much time do you need to finish cleaning? How much energy do you have left after today? How much sugar would you like in your tea? How much money did you spend? When do we use how many? We use how many when we want to know how many individual things there are, like asking about the number of apples, books, people, or cars. How many is only used with plural countable nouns. How many books do you read a month? How many days are there in June? How many countries have you visited? How many people live on your street? How much can also be used when we want to know the price of something. In this case, we can use how much with countable nouns, both singular and plural nouns. How much did you pay for your haircut? How much do these earrings cost? How much are those socks? How much do these sunglasses cost? How much will the repair work on your car cost? Omitting the noun. We often skip mentioning the noun in a question when it's obvious what we're referring to. For example, I need some salt. How much do you need? Here, we omitted the word salt because it is not necessary to say it. It is obvious from the context that they are talking about the salt. I'm craving some ice cream. How much do you want? I need some coins. How many do you need? I'm planning a party and need balloons. How many do you need? Great job! What is your score? Let me know in the comments. Check out our website for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. www.petraYvonneEnglish.com. Take care and see you next time.